Waffle Forest social mission is multifaceted. In one sense, it is to heal the land. It is to clean the air for our communities. We're thinking about future generations. We're thinking about our families here and now, and the quality of air that's in around us in our everyday settings. So Waffle Forest mission one is to help clear up the pollution to where we can start being more healthier in our bodies. But it also is invested in rehabilitating and rekindling the relationship between humanity and planet Earth. So it's about also beautifying where we live and how we treat our surroundings. And so Waffle Forest mission is to empower everyday families, everyday constituents and individuals, and also corporate entities to reinvest in their surrounding neighborhoods and communities in beautifying it. We are currently seeking out dilapidated landscapes, and with the community's help, by giving them the tools through a process of reforestation, they can actually change these dilapidated wastelands into oases and green spaces that will ultimately help clear the pollution in their area, but it'll beautify the neighborhood. It'll bring more value into communities. There's also an app that's attached to the waffle trees that are being planted. It enables the families, the constituents, the corporate entities to dial in and to consistently monitor and see the specs of the tree and how healthy it's doing. So it is a focal point, it's an heirloom, it's a centerpiece for families, it's a centerpiece for individuals that's rooted in humanity's relationship with nature.